If you want to make your video look cleaner, more polished, and more eye-catching, adding a frame or border in CapCut is a super easy trick. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add a frame or border around your video in CapCut step by step. This is a great way to create a professional look, make your content stand out, or add a simple background color around your clip. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips and editing tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in CapCut and select the video clip on the timeline. Make sure the clip is highlighted because all of the settings we're about to change will apply to that selected video. Once your video is selected, go to the top right menu and click on the Video tab. Then open the Basics section. This is where you'll find the main adjustment controls for your clip. Now look for the scale setting. Lowering the scale is what creates space around your video, so the border can be visible. If your video fills the entire screen, there won't be any room for a frame, so reduce the scale slightly until you see empty space around the edges of the clip. You can adjust it little by little until it looks the way you want. If you want a thicker border, make the video a little smaller. If you want a thinner border, keep the reduction more subtle. Once your video is resized, scroll down in the same menu until you find the Canvas option. Click on Canvas to open the background and frame settings. This is the part that lets you control what appears behind your video. With Canvas enabled, you can now choose a color that will act like your border or frame. Click on Color, then pick your preferred frame color from the available options. You can choose something simple like black or white for a clean look, or use a bold color if you want the frame to stand out more. The color you select will show around the video as the border area, giving your clip a framed appearance. If you want to make the effect look even better, take a moment to preview your video and see how the frame looks with the rest of your edit. You may want to tweak the scale again if the border is too thin or too wide. Small adjustments can make a big difference, especially if you want the final result to look balanced and professional. And that's it. You've now added a frame or border around your video in CapCut. It's a simple effect, but it can really improve the look of your content and help your videos feel more polished. If this video helped you out, please like the video and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.